Testing thumb adduction, you'll have the patient's hand in a pronated position hanging off the table as shown here. First thing you'll have your patient do is bring their thumb downward and then bring it back into adduction. Because she's able to do this, this is a grade 3. Now to test for a 4 and 5, you want to keep in mind that we are testing the CMC joint back here. So I want to be careful about crossing too many joints up here when I'm applying resistance. So first, I'm going to stabilize the wrist, and then I'm going to add resistance as close to this joint as possible. So I'll be about right here. So bring your thumb down about halfway, Rachel, about right there. And then I want you to bring your thumb into adduction while I bring you into abduction. So go ahead and resist me. 3, 2, 1. Now to test for the thumb adduction in a gravity eliminated position, you'll have the patient's hand in a neutral position resting on a solid surface as shown here. First thing you'll have your patient do is bring their thumb outward and then see if they can bring it back towards their palm. So go ahead and do that, Rachel. Because she was able to do that, that'd be a grade 2. If she could not, then I would palpate the adductor pollicis, which is found right in this web space right here. If I feel this muscle firing or movement there, that will be a grade 1, and if I do not feel any movement, that'd be a grade 0.